Two-factor authentication is a useful security process that requires a user to verify their identity in two ways. Usually this involves a user inputting a password as well as a one-time code, either sent to their phone or generated by an authenticator application. In order to create the most secure systems possible, logging into PDK requires two-factor authentication. Let's walk through what that looks like. When you receive the initial email invitation to PDK and have entered your personal information, you'll be prompted to input your mobile phone number. Enter the number and click Send Code. You will then receive a temporary 6-digit code on your mobile device. Back in PDK enter that code and click Verify Code. Next, you'll be redirected to the page with instructions for adding PDK to an authenticator app. Using an authenticator of your choice, scan the QR code on your screen. Then enter the 6-digit code provided by the authenticator. To finish, hit Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Now when you log into PDK you can simply input a one-time verification code from your authenticator app or input a one-time code directly sent to you via SMS. Through this process, your account will remain as secure as possible. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.